Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the M3A4 Lee. So the A4 means it's a different version than the A3. A little longer. So just take your clippers and clip away for this kit. Clipping away the stuff. Take this and remove the plastic support from underneath the gun. I'm working with the HO scale, so careful with that. There you go. Alright, we got that guy. I'll probably use some glue to reinforce that connection there. Anyways, so that looks pretty good. Now I'll clean up this sprue mark here. That looks pretty good. And then we have this. Clean up that sprue mark. And then this support underneath this gun. Just remove that. There you have it. And then there's that. Now it's this. Up next, let's take this plastic support underneath this gun and let's clip it away. There you go. The clipping away process for this kit is completed. Now let's start to glue it together. So first of all, you have this. Put some glue there. And then I'm going to put this upside down to something impeding the gluing. There must be some hard glue that... There we go. There we go. So I put it upside down because that helps guide the pieces using the flat surface of the table. That's nice. Up next you have this. Just put it together like this. Kind of eyeball it, make sure that it lines up well. It's always good to test fit parts before you put them all together. Figure out where glue goes and such. So from that we see that this will have contact there, and some along these edges. Now you must carefully place it there. And then, like that, when you think it's in the correct spot. Perfect. So the body of this is coming together nicely. Now, these tracks line up pretty well. And you can see where they will get glued down. Just those spots. Nice and easy to figure out where that glue goes. Simply take and place it where they should go. Very good. Let's do the other side. Perfect. There you go. Now let's take and glue the turret together. Take a little bit of glue, put it like that. take this cylinder, put it, and try to put it in the center. There we go. And the same for this. Alright, so we're done applying glue for this kit. You just have to put this cylinder in place. Try to put it in the center. There you go. And then put the little top turret in, and then that turret. M3A4 Lee from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.